This EngEPA instructional video sets out the mandatory requirements for the Gateway portfolio. It is important that there is an early collaboration between all stakeholders. This is key to the successful endpoint assessment. At EngEPA, we have developed a comprehensive support toolkit for each apprentice. Please hashtags start with the end in mind and request the guidance from us at the beginning of the apprentice's journey. The support toolkit contains the following: portfolio skill scan and portfolio template. The naturally occurring production evidence required is shown in the portfolio template and is being pre-mapped against the applicable case base. Once the support material has been received and the scope determined, the apprentice is now on their journey to occupational competence. The portfolio is expected to include welds that meet the requirements of a welder qualification standard, such as ISO 9606-1 or ASME 9. Collectively, these shall cover 4 material groups, all defined pipe welding positions for 2 processes, and shall be verified by a recognised third-party organisation, with 6 monthly employer prolongation signatures where appropriate. The expectation is clear that a Level 3 welding apprentice will be able to meet the volumetric inspection requirements, such as X-ray or ultrasonic inspections. The volumetric reports can be submitted to support the welding qualification or through production evidence. Where the apprentice is producing fillet welds as the predominant joint type with limited welding positions, material and processes, the reduced complexity and inspection regime would reflect that of the Level 2 apprenticeship standard. During production, the apprentice is also required to compile evidence verifying 4 main joint configurations via naturally occurring welding records, such as risk assessment, production control card, WPS, and also pictures taken. The method of inspection and acceptance to the international quality requirements will be authenticated by a suitable qualified welding inspector or NDT technician.